Hello, dear students. Welcome to lesson 4. Today's topic is at the doctor. This is a simple conversation between a patient and a doctor. Good morning, doctor. Good morning. What's the problem? I have a headache and sore throat. How long have you had these symptoms? For 2 days. You need rest and plenty of water. Thank you, doctor. Now let's look at key vocabulary. 1. Headache. Pain in the head. 2. Sore throat. Pain in the throat. 3. Symptoms. Signs of illness. 4. Fever. High blood temperature. 5. Medicine. Tablets or syrup to help you feel better. Rest, relax or sleep. Get well soon. Wish someone to recover. Useful sentences. I don't feel well. I think I have a fever. Can you check me, please? What medicine should I take? How long will it take to recover? Now let's practice. Number 1. What symptoms does the patient have? Number 2. How long has the patient been sick? Number 3. What did the doctor advise? Number 4. Do you like going to the doctor? Why? Why not? Number 5. Make a sentence using the word medicine. Now, here are the answers. 1. The patient has a headache and a sore throat. 2. The patient has been sick for 2 days. 3. The doctor advised rest, water, and medicine. 4. Answers will vary. 5. Example, I need to take my medicine after lunch. Thank you for listening lesson 4.